Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best portable fish finders for kayak you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many portable fish finders for kayak and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each portable fish finders for kayak so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a portable fish finder for a kayak. First, think about portability and size because your kayak has limited space and a compact, lightweight unit is easier to handle. Second, check the display quality and brightness since sunlight glare can make screens hard to read on open water. Third, consider the sonar type and depth range, as better sonar provides clearer details of fish and underwater structures. Fourth, battery life is crucial for longer trips, so choose one that lasts several hours. Lastly, ensure it's waterproof and easy to mount or detach for safe use. Combining these features helps you fish smarter and enjoy your kayak trips more. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.